Welcome back. Today we are going to make a requested video tutorial. We are going to compare 3 different types of syrups using the same brand, which is
Torani.
Torani. We're going to test 3 different types of vanilla. We have been asked what are the differences amongst all these 3 vanilla flavor, and what are the vanilla flavors, Christiana?
There is vanilla bean, vanilla, and French vanilla.
Which one should you be using at your cafes or even at home? We are going to make hot vanilla latte, coffee from the Philippines. This is from Curve, courtesy of Overflowing Cup Coffee in the Philippines. Christiana will tell us about the details about this coffee beans.
They say they partner with farmers and advocates fair trade, sustainably farmed and sourced, uses compostable packaging. The origin is 100% specialty Arabica from Mount Apo and Colombia. Flavor notes are sweet lemon, muscovado, dark chocolate, and roasted hazelnut. Sounds nice. It's medium bodied and medium to high acidity.
I also like something about this pump that I was given. So you have this pump and they gave you this extra gadget. And what it does is that it covers the head of the pump. I must say in the Philippines, or I'm sure in many parts of the world, you have problems with ants or any insects that could possibly enter your syrup through the pump head here. So I think this is really a tool that is very useful for all of those that use syrups in their cafes. So for sure, nothing can get through that.
I like it.
Yeah, I mean ants. I hate ants when they come inside my syrups. They go to waste.
Do they? They don't though.
I have seen some. They actually you could see some of the ants floating there.
Oh
so,
no! What you do with that bottle? I hope you throw away.
Throw them away. So I think
that's a bit of a waste.
Yeah.
Get these guys.
Get these. Now we are going to pour my espresso shots for our lattes, and whilst I'm doing that, Christiana is going to read the taste profiles for each of this flavored syrup. And I'm not going to show you how I pull my espresso shots. You can get my book for that. Don't forget that the new edition of the Basic Barista is already out. You can order them on Amazon. And for those that are in other countries, or especially the Philippines and Thailand, you can order them on Shopee and Lazada. The second edition is bigger, better, and more concise. New recipes as well, new tips and techniques, so definitely get a copy of the second edition. If you already have the first edition, make sure you also get the second edition. It is a continuation from the first edition, and I'm sure you'll get more tips and techniques there that will be quite useful and also helping us grow this channel. Thank you so much for all those that have supported us in the past, and those who have not got a copy of the book, do check out the description box below. Over to you, Christiana.
We're gonna start off with vanilla bean, and the vanilla bean says, with a complex flavor and earthy finish, this syrup delivers the flavor of exotic Madagascar vanilla beans.
Wow, sounds good.
Next one, just vanilla syrup. With a rich aroma, the syrup delivers a perfect, warm, and clean vanilla flavor. Right? Next, French vanilla. With the indulgent sweetness of custard, this syrup delivers a creamy, delicious flavor experience.
I've already pulled the shots, so now you can put 1 pump of each in each of these cups. So you start with that. So you're going to, just so as not to confuse you and also Christiana. So let's do it this way, okay? And once you're done with that, put them on the saucer, okay? Moment of truth. Why don't you give each one of them a try?
Okay. That's really nice. Yeah.
Okay, it's French vanilla. You want some water? Where's your water?
Oh, that's nice too, actually. I just want to make sure I do it very properly, guys. Okay, I have my verdict.
Okay, try the other side. She's my daughter, by the way.
I know which one I want to have after we finish filming.
They're all lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. They're all the best vanilla lattes I've had in a long time.
Because I made them, right?
Yeah. Okay, so are we gonna 1, 2, 3 and then point at the one we want?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no way! Are you serious?
Yeah, serious.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. To be honest, guys, this is the first time I have got Christiana here to taste these 3 vanillas. But I had a workshop conducted before this, and we did try. It's not the first time.
Who tried? You tried?
Yeah, I tried it with my workshop students.
And they also thought so?
And everyone agreed that the vanilla bean was the best one.
No way!
So tell me why. What's the difference?
Okay. They're all really, really nice. I think whichever one you have, if you like it and don't want to change, that's absolutely fine. I think they're all beautiful. Usually vanilla either comes across as really chemically and really artificial. This is probably artificial. I don't think Torani claims that everything is all natural vanilla, but it's the smoothest vanilla syrups that I've ever experienced. So we'll start with the one that I first tried. I really like the French vanilla in terms of how it tastes like a dessert. I think if you wanted a coffee after your meal or something like that, it does say
custard,
indulgent sweetness of custard. It definitely delivers that, without a doubt. The next one, this vanilla is also really, it's also really, really nice. Honestly, it was between these two for me. That's why I tried them both twice. I want to make sure that I do my job properly for all of you guys. This vanilla is a classic vanilla taste, like as in if you order a vanilla latte and you get this, you're gonna be happy because you got what you ordered. But this one takes it to another level. This is like, it tastes like an elegant vanilla. I don't know how to explain it. It tastes like this is young, classic, dependable vanilla. This is elegant, classy vanilla.
Exquisite Madagascar.
So the word bean actually makes a difference. This is vanilla, this is vanilla bean. I think that's how I would, whether, like it says earthy finish, I don't know about earthy finish.
It just tastes more natural for me.
I don't know if it tastes more natural, but there's definitely more dimension, there's more depth. Like with this, you can probably expect it at a regular vanilla latte place, whereas if you want to sell vanilla latte at a premium, I think this will be more suitable for whatever price point is considered premium wherever you are.
Yes, just to remind you, all of these flavors cost the same.
Wow.
Try the vanilla syrup by themselves.
Gosh.
Sugary.
Yeah. Honestly, I think you will just be able to, we will only be able to taste the sugar. Oh. I was about to say that this tastes more like vanilla. It does taste more like vanilla, but they're all vanilla.
So one is more like a...
But this one's more custardy, for sure. Now this, I'm most excited about. It doesn't just taste like vanilla. I can taste the earthiness of it.
Tastes like vanilla bean.
It tastes a bit nutty, like vanilla and hazelnut. Yeah, wow. I think it's vanilla and hazelnut without actually two separate syrups is vanilla bean.
How would you rate them? 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
Vanilla bean, French vanilla being the least favorite.
Although I really like it, I can't have it every day. It's too desserty for me.
Yeah. Okay, and I must say I'm very happy with this coffee.
It's very nice.
This is the Philippine coffee at its best. It's called Curve Coffee Collaborators. So if you're looking for something special, this is specialty coffee, 100% Arabica. I'm happy with this, and I'm really recommending you try Philippine coffee at its best. Okay, if you have any questions at all, do let us know. Christiana and I will endeavor to answer any of the questions in terms of the taste of these 3 different flavors for Torani. And we'll see you again next time for more of these video clips. In the meantime, thank you so much, Christiana, for being here once again. A lot of people are missing you, so you should always be here. And in fact, one of my, a Chao lover at a recent meet and greet said that she has a girl crush on Christiana.
Wow. Whoever you are, I'd love to meet you one day.
Yeah, I hope that I'll be able to take Christiana with me in the next meet and greet. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.